Welcome to the Advanced Guide to TSB Bank Chatbot, a comprehensive tutorial designed to help you navigate and utilize the chatbot's features effectively. The TSB Bank Chatbot is a digital platform that allows customers to manage their accounts, make transactions, and access various banking services. To get started, you need to understand the key concepts of the chatbot's functionality. The chatbot uses natural language processing to understand and respond to customer inquiries. You can interact with the chatbot through text-based conversations, and it is available 24/7 to provide assistance. The first step in using the TSB Bank chatbot is to access it through the bank's website or mobile app. Once you have logged in, you can initiate a conversation with the chatbot by typing a message or selecting a predefined option. The chatbot will then respond with relevant information or ask follow-up questions to clarify your query. One of the key features of the TSB Bank chatbot is its ability to perform various banking tasks, such as checking account balances, transferring funds, and paying bills. You can also use the chatbot to report lost or stolen cards, update your account information, and access transaction history. To make the most out of the TSB Bank chatbot, it is essential to follow best practices. First, ensure that you are using the chatbot in a secure environment, such as a private computer or mobile device. Second, be clear and concise when typing your messages, as this will help the chatbot understand your queries more accurately. In terms of practical examples, you can use the TSB Bank chatbot to perform tasks such as checking your account balance by typing, "What is my account balance?" or transferring funds by typing transfer 100 to account 123,456,789. The chatbot will then guide you through the process and provide confirmation once the task is completed. In conclusion, the TSB Bank chatbot is a powerful tool that can help you manage your accounts and access various banking services. By following the steps outlined in this guide and practicing good security habits, you can maximize the benefits of the chatbot and enjoy a seamless banking experience. Remember to always use the chatbot in a secure environment and be clear and concise when typing your messages to get the most out of this advanced banking platform.